Okay guys, as you can see, it's actually generating our keys and our coins. What is up people, and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how I got unlimited keys and coins for my Subway Surf game absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or anything you can imagine guys. You can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices. So guys, before we start with this tutorial, we just want to make sure that our low power battery mode is off. So let's go to settings and let's search for a battery. There we go, and then we will turn off our battery saver mode. On your iOS devices it's called low power mode, so simply turn it off. And then let's go to Google or any browser you got guys and navigate to this website. It's called tweakzen.com, as you can see, and under only gen tools you will find enter link. So guys, there we want to search for a Subway Surfers. Click there and it's the official Subway Surfers tool guys. So we will have to enter our Subway Surfers user ID. So I will paste it guys because I have copied it. As you can see, it found it. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here how to find your user ID and let's click continue. So guys, let's wait a little bit so it find our user ID. As you can see, it was found. Nice, it's really amazing for the first step. And second step is to select our keys and coins. So let's select, I will select the maximum and let's click continue guys. So let's wait a little bit for this third step and let's see, will we actually get redirected into this page. So okay, as you can see guys, we got redirected into Are You a Robot. So we'll have a few minutes to complete this bot check manual process. So guys, don't worry because this is a CAPTCHA. We must verify it because there's a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just don't worry and follow my steps. Just click continue. And guys, we will get redirected into last step, and it's literally last step before we get our Subway Surfers keys and coins. So guys, what we will have to do here, we will simply need to download 2 games or complete 2 simple questionnaires and follow their instructions on how to do this. So what will I do now guys? I will download Travel Town and I will download Coin Master. For Travel Town I will complete level 9 and for Coin Master I will complete Village 3. So basically I will download both games and complete its requirements. So click here, click go, and it will start downloading it from the official publisher guys. If you're using your iOS devices, it will start downloading it from App Store, and if you're using your Android devices, it will start downloading it from Google Play. So guys, that's pretty much what will I do now. So see you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back and let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. So let's see together, will it actually redirect us guys? I'm still waiting for about 1 minute. Nice guys, as you can see, we got verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Keys and coins are on the way guys. Our user ID connected, our coins sent, and our keys are ready. So let's check our Subway Surf game. Will we actually receive this also guys? As you can see, I have downloaded Travel Town and Coin Master and I have completed its requirements and it worked amazing. So let's open our Subway Surf game and let's see, will we actually receive this. Let's wait still. Okay guys, as you can see, it's actually generating our keys and our coins and it worked amazing guys. So that's pretty much it guys for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed for this Subway Surf review. We recorded it and tested together. So tweakzen.com is actually a legit website where you can get your keys and coins for Subway Surf. So that's pretty much it guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.